to the channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be opening a package. I was contacted by Ninja Transfers. They told me they like my channel and they like what I do. So they also asked me if it was okay for them to send me some stuff. And I said, yeah. So I received the package this morning. I was able to design my own gag sheet, and I included on that gag sheet some of my own designs. And I also included some design from Etsy and from Creative Fabrica. So what I plan to do is I'm going to choose maybe 3 of the designs, and I'm going to press it on 3 different shirts. Yeah, so I can't wait to open this package and share this with you. So let's go at it. So guys, let's open this baby. I'm so excited. Okay. So let's see what we have here. We have some paper right here. We have a set of instructions. We have some samples of stickers right here. And the instructions on one side, it has the pressing instructions, and the other side has the instruction on how to press the stickers. These instructions are amazing. If you go to their site, they have a video that is so complete with all the instructions on how to press DTF transfer step by step. And now they also send it to you on the package, which is amazing. Okay. And here they are. I have another sticker of a ninja. Isn't that cute? I wish you could see it closer. Hopefully you will be able. I'm gonna take a closer look later, okay? It says Ninja. It's beautiful. Okay, so this is the roll. This is pretty long. I'm gonna show it to you right now like this. But what I plan to do is I'm gonna open it on the table to give you an idea how many designs that I ordered. This is a lot, people. 10 foot of transfer is a lot. I like the idea of sourcing for my DTFs. I've never done it before. I have always wanted to do DTF, but I'm a small business, and I don't plan to get a DTF machine anytime soon. I'm starting my business. So this is a good way of you working with DTF and offering more options to your customers. So look at these people. Let me take this piece of tape from here. People, this is a lot, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and open this up on a table, and then I'm gonna give you a closer look. So look at this. I am 5 feet 4 inches, and this is 10 feet. So that tells you how many designs I was able to place on the 10-foot gang sheet, okay? I have all this roll with left to open, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around the camera to the table so I can show you the designs that I placed on my gang sheet, and then I'm gonna tell you which one I'm gonna press, okay? See you in a little bit, people. Okay, so these are all the transfers that I got. Right here, I have some design. This is this I got from Etsy, as well as this one. No, this one is from Creative Fabrica. This is from Etsy. These are my own designs, and these are my logo, which I designed myself. My channel logo right here. I made it 2 small ones for my left chest. It's a design that was sent to me a while ago from a client, and so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna offer them to them as a sample for them if they want to do left chest logo. And this is another of mine own design. I'm gonna be showing you. This is my own design. This design I did on rhinestones. I work with rhinestones for those who are new to the channel. So I created this design. This is my own design. If you notice, I did a lot of my logo because, yeah, it's my own logo. And let me roll this up. I don't want to mess it up. This is my first time dealing with transfers. I never have ordered transfers before. So, and there's a lot. So you see there's a lot of the same because these are logos that I'm going to plan to use, and also my own design which I plan to use. All of the same. This is another design. Let me see if I can turn it around so you have a better view. This right here is another design that I got from Creative Fabrica. It's a Christmas gnome. And that's it, people. This is a lot of design. I mean, this is a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this gnome. I'm going to choose one of my own designs. And I'm going to do the Christmas tree, the big one. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to cut these transfers. And then I'm going to go ahead and, not all of them, just the one that I'm going to use for now because I don't want to take too long on the video. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to press this one right here, the Christmas tree. And I'm going to press this one right here, the Christmas design that have all the coffee and the little gingerbread cookies, okay? So guys, don't go anywhere. I'm going to come back once I finish cutting the designs that I'm going to be working with, all right? See you in a little bit. This is my first press. Of course, I chose my logo, and I forgot to mention that they supply the parchment paper that you're going to be using for the second part of the pressing. I'm using my HTVRONT. This is a 15 by 15 inches, and I'm pressing it at 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds, which is the temperature that they tell you to press the garment. And guys, let's go. This is my first one. I hope I don't mess it up. Let's go for it, people. Okay, so this is a cold peel, so I'm going to take off the shirt off the press and I'm going to let it cool, all right? I'll come back when it's completely cool. Okay, guys, so this is cool. I'm going to peel it. I'm so excited. I've never done this before, people. Never done DTF before. You just pull it from a corner that they say and then just pull back. I'm going to press it for the second time with the parchment paper. I'm going to move you around. This time use the parchment paper. Let's go for it, guys. This is so, guys, you have to understand, like I said before, I have never done DTF before. And this, for my business, is going to give it a boost because I can offer this product to my client. And yes, let me put it away so that you can see it in a closer look. This is so amazing. The feel of this shirt is so soft. It's just soft to the touch. This is a Gildan shirt, and I decided to press it to the back. I'm going to press the other ones that I told you. I'm going to press it in a fast motion. So I'm not going to be doing any talking. I'm just going to be moving real fast, okay? See you in a bit. So guys, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be pressing. The shirts have already been placed here. I already placed the transfer on each one of them. They're all positioned in place. So I'm going to be pressing. I'm going to be cooling down here. Pressing, cooling down in here. And then I'm going to go peel them off do the second pressing, I'm placing them in here. I hope you understand what I said. Anywho, I'm gonna be giving my back to you. I have to apologize for that, but I need to press the shirts, okay? So I'm gonna wait for the press to complete, reaching the temperature, which is, I said again, 310 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm gonna be pressing for 15 seconds, right? So this one I'm going to press on the big press right here because this one is the one who is 17 inches long. So I'm gonna press that one over there. So I'm gonna turn this off and I'll see you in a little bit, okay? My camera decided to stop on the second part where I pressed the second time with the parchment paper, but I want you to show you, and I pause and everything for you guys. Anyway, I did all of them already in here, but you're gonna have a chance to see it on the last one. I'm gonna use my big press, the one that is 16 by 24 inches, to do the last one, and then on that one you're gonna be able to see the second part, which is using the parchment paper. So I'm gonna make sure this time that the camera is working. This camera is giving me a headache, guys. So while I'm waiting for the other press to come up to temperature, this is the shirt that we pressed earlier, the first one, but I did a front logo in here. That's why I decided to do it on the back right here. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier. I think I did. All right. And then I did the left chest logo. Beautiful. And then I press it with my other logo right here on this heather gray, which is a lighter color. And if you notice that the colors are as bright and beautiful as this one. Beautiful. All right. So I'm still waiting for my big press to warm up. So I'll see you in a little bit when it's done warming up to press the last shirt. Okay, people. So we got up to temperature. I'm gonna place this piggy over here. I'm gonna use my gloves because with this press table is a little bit low. I sometimes burn my knuckles and I don't feel like burning my knuckles today. So yeah, safety first. All right, so I'm gonna place this way. Hopefully I have the correct pressure. I didn't check for the pressure. The last thing that I used the press for was sublimation. Hopefully I'll be okay. I hope so. It feels like it's medium pressure, so. Okay. I'm gonna let it cool down and then I bring you into the action, okay? Okay, guys, this is cool. So It is so amazing, people. All of them press amazingly. And I used two different presses, all right? I used a clamshell and I used the one that goes all the way from the top down. Same quality of pressure, same quality of result. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the second part, which is the second press, which we missed on the other because of the camera. Let me check the camera again. I don't want to miss this part. Yeah, it's rolling. This happened to me so often that it's not even funny. Okay, now the camera just stopped in the middle of recording, but it is what it is. So let's go, people. Guys, look at how beautiful. Wow, nice and soft. This one is also a Gildan shirt, and this is heavy cotton. It's 100% heavy cotton. So I pressed a Gildan sweatshirt. I pressed a Gildan soft style, which is the gray one, the first one that I did, which is cotton blend. And then the white one, long sleeve, is also 100% cotton, as well as the wine color one. So it don't matter what fabric you use, the results are excellent. Okay, so this is the last one. This is the one that I was talking to you that it was 100% cotton long sleeve shirt. This is the one color, which I love this combination of colors. This is beautiful right here. And this is the sweatshirt. And the two that I showed you in the beginning. So I'm gonna move to the table and I'm going to tell you my final thoughts. I'll see you in a little bit, people. So guys, these are the 6 shirts that we just pressed. I am very impressed with the result. The whole process was so easy from beginning to end, starting from ordering my first gang sheet with Ninja Transfer all the way to pressing the shirts. I have never had an idea how easy it was. The quality is amazing. Guys, look at these colors. And I make sure that I use different kind of fabrics. You know, I mix the whole thing around, so like light color, white, dark, in between and in between, so that I have the experience of how they look in each kind of substrate or fabric. And I am very happy. I am very impressed. This gave me a choice for me to use DTF and offering this to my customer and also for personal use. So I want to thank Ninja Transfer for sending me my first gang sheet and for allowing me to test their product. Thank you very much. It was a great experience. I really recommend your guys' product because I am very impressed. Did I say I am very impressed? Yes. So guys, I think this is everything for now. I will see you soon with some new content. If you're new to the channel and you have not subscribed yet, you know what I'm gonna say. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, The Crafty Puerto Rican. And don't forget to click the notification bell, okay? So guys, if I don't see you before Christmas or before the New Year's, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year. Guys, I will see you soon. Bye-bye. Hasta luego.